The first signs were subtle. A thin, silvery line where the ocean met the horizon. Like a retreating breath, Dr. Elena Reyes noticed it during her morning survey. A barely perceptible withdrawal that most would dismiss as a trick of the light. But it wasn't. Within weeks, the coastlines began to change. Beaches expanded, revealing seafloor landscapes untouched by sunlight for millennia. Dried coral formations emerged like skeletal fingers clutching at the air. Marine ecosystems collapsed silently without the dramatic spectacle one might expect. The scientific community debated. Climate models failed. Satellite data showed an impossible phenomenon. The oceans were not just falling, but vanishing. No evaporation, no drainage, simply disappearing. Elena's colleagues grew quiet. Their research vessels sat useless on expanding salt flats. During one late-night conference call, a colleague whispered something about geometric impossibilities before the line went dead. As continents transformed into vast, cracked plains, something else became apparent. The spaces where water had been were not empty. They were filled with something. A subtle, shifting texture that seemed to ripple when observed directly, like a membrane breathing. Humanity's last days were marked not by panic, but by a strange, numbing acceptance. The oceans had been our planet's blood. Now, something else was flowing beneath the surface. And it was definitely not water.